So what you can also do is you can utilize Gemini to find hotels as you like. So for example, I'm traveling to, let's say for example, let's say for example, Singapore right here, and I want to find some hotel rooms. So I'm going to go around and see, find some hotel rooms in Singapore which are under $200 a night right here. Let's say for example, just like this. So let's say that is my budget right here, and I'm going to go around and click on submit around over here. So once I do that, what happens is that it says it's around for hotels, and you can see that this is what you have. So that's Aero Hotel, it's 163 per night. Mercury Singapore on Stevens is offering two restaurants, 168, that's 112, and so forth, as you can see right here. And you get the details right here, just like this, as you can see over here. So that is how you can go around and find out hotels by using Google Gemini as you like. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.